your hobbies on daily basis? So I'll just invite on stage our next startup, and I think they'll make sure that your hobby will become your habit. So can I have the founder of Hobbit on stage for the next pitch?
Thank you to Ivy Growth Venture for organizing such a pleasant event. And so myself, Gaurav Dua, I am the founder of Hobbit, a platform dedicated to your hobbies. So we are three co-founders in the company, me, Gaurav Dua, Lakshya Rohila and Arpit Tyagi. And the most interesting part about the co-founders is that we three are childhood friends. The next important part about the co-founders is that we three are coming from a very diverse background in terms of education qualification and in terms of experience as well. If I talk about myself, I was always a backbencher since my schooling days, and my core interest was totally inclined towards the extracurriculum part. Lakshay was my schooling friend during those days, and we both were the state level player into volleyball. I met Arpit Tyagi in my graduation days back in 2014. And even in those days, I saw the zeal of doing something into startup ecosystem in Arpit. Although my interest was again inclined towards the rapping part. So I wanted to do the rapping as my career, as my hobby. But unfortunately, me being from Delhi, the rap culture was not there. The peer group was not there. The majority of the peer group of rapping ecosystem was in Mumbai, and I was sitting in Delhi during that time. So I was not able to get the right direction, right guidance, right support to learn what I actually love to do. So after that, I did a work in the startup that named as Riculta Solutions Private Limited, and again switched the company to the top edtech firm of India named as NTAP Infotech, #1 ERP solution firm in India. So when I was working in that company, I was in contact with Lakshya and Arpit and was discussing the basic stuff about life. I told them that I'm not really happy with my life because the major thing that I wanted to do in my life was something related to extracurricular activities. So during that time, Lakshay and Arpit also told me the same thing about their problems while pursuing their favorite hobby, of not getting the time of pursuing hobby, not getting the right peer group to learn hobbies with, not getting the right direction, not getting the right support, not getting the right mentorship to learn hobbies. So at that time, we thought to do something into extracurricular space and solve all these problems for the people of India, and not just for the people of India, but for the people of globe as well. So with the help of our solution, we thought to create a whole ecosystem of hobbies. So right now we have built an ecosystem of hobbies that consists of three major verticals. The very first vertical includes virtual training. So these virtual training are not actually live classes, but these virtual training are a pre-recorded classes, but that gives a look and a feel of a live class with the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence. With the help of this solution, we are solving a time issue as well. So if a person wants to pursue hobby on a regular basis, on a monthly basis, on Monday to Friday basis, so they can select their class, favorite hobby with the help of virtual hobby sessions on Hobbit. In this, user will be getting a 12 different time slot. User can select a time slot at which they want to pursue their hobby and can pursue the hobby with the help of Hobbit platform. The second major thing into the platform is Hobbit Social. That is a community of like-minded people. It's similar like Instagram and Facebook, but the major differentiator in this community is that the segregation is being done with the help of hobbies wise. So for example, if anybody is having a hobby of fitness, they can directly go into the fitness part and they will be seeing thousands of people posting their regular regimes, photos, content, videos. And if any person resonate with other person, they'll be able to follow them, chat with them, interact with them. That is totally free of cost in the platform itself. The community is free for all. The third major thing into the platform is Hobbit Learning. In this, we provide certification courses. If a person wants to get certified in a particular hobby stream, we provide the certification courses on Hobbit Learning part. If I tell you about the vision in a smaller terms, then we are helping working professionals and homemakers pursuing their favorite hobby as simple and as effective as Uber while you are booking a cab with Uber or while you are booking a room on OYO. So this is what a user usually say about us, that they spend usually 30 minutes on our platform to learn what they actually love to do. I'll talk more about Hobbit. So right now we are dealing into 5 major hobby categories, including fitness, dance, music, cooking, and art and craft. If I talk about subcategory wise, we are dealing into 22 subcategories. In dance, we're having various formats of dance, including Bharatanatyam, Kathak, jazz, hip hop. And the next important thing about Hobbit platform is we are working on a segregation model in which it's a pre-recorded session and we give one-time payment to the tutors, and lifetime access, lifetime copyright of the content is being kept by Hobbit itself. So this is the sessions are being powered by artificial intelligence. So if a teacher is teaching inside a screen and user is learning outside the screen, the movements of the user and the movements of the teacher is being compared. And after tracking both the movements after every session, user will be getting an auto-generated report where they'll be able to judge that how much percentage of the session was done on an accurately basis. This is through artificial intelligence and machine learning. If I talk about the tutors or the mentors who are teaching onto the platform right now these are some of the renowned and vetted tutors, including Abhijit Sawant, who is Indian Idol Season 1, or including Piyush Gurubele, who was the winner in Dance Diwane Champion, and some of the more renowned and vetted tutors onto the platform itself. If I talk about the traction, so right now we are generating a revenue of 10 to 12 lakh rupees. That is a monthly revenue we are generating, out of which 90% is the gross margin to Hobbit itself. We are spending only 10% in terms of content generation. Lifetime access is being kept by Hobbit itself. If I talk about the growth, we raised the last round in January 2022. This year only, since that time, we did 2000% growth in terms of revenue. If I talk about the user generation part, we did 5x growth since our last round. And in terms of last 3 months, we did 304% growth in terms of revenue itself. Some of the key aspect and some of the interesting points about community itself is, right now 50 to 55,000 monthly active users are there into the community. Every user is spending average engagement time, average spend time on the platform is 15 plus minutes. Every 4 minutes, there is one of the post, photo, content or video is being posted on Hobbit, and every 8 minutes, one of the chat is being initiated on Hobbit itself. These are some of the interesting facts about Hobbit community. If I talk about the user acquisition plan on which we run, majority of the user that we acquired right now is with the help of strategic alliances and collaboration parts. So we tied up with 35 plus educational institutions right now, plus we tied up with 50 plus residential societies also, because the target audience that we're tapping right now is working professionals and homemakers. So for us, it's easy to tap those category with the help of residential societies as well. In terms of roadmap, the plan is to double our user base and double our revenue in coming 3 months, and by January 2023, we are aiming to have 350,000 user base plus 50 lakh rupees monthly revenue. And by the end of this financial year, we are aiming to have 4 crore rupees, that is ARR, plus 5 lakh monthly users. So the funds that are required right now is we are opened the next round last week only. That round is pre-series A round. In total, we are raising 5 crore rupees at a valuation of 40 crore, out of which 20% is already being committed by the existing investors. And the plan to disburse these amount is 45% into the marketing and growth aspect to penetrate the product into tier 2, tier 3 cities. If I talk about the size of market, total in India, the size of extracurriculum space is $10 billion. That is expected to be grown at 24.5% by 2024. In terms of global market, it's $200 billion. Recently, we also got an opportunity to expand our market, expand our product in Dubai and UAE and MENA region as well by the Royal Family of Dubai. In terms of competitive landscape, these are some of the major players into extracurriculum domain, including KOIT, Yellow Class, Hopspace, Piggy Ride, and Hobbit itself. In terms of competitive landscape, the major differentiator with the community, and the major differentiator with these platforms is the community part. Only Yellow Class is having a community of peer-to-peer learning where people can interact with each other, people can post their regular regimes, photos, content, and Hobbit is also having the same community. In terms of technology, only Hobbit is one of the platform that is including this kind of a technology to learn various hobbies. That includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, plus assistant training. The third thing is age group. Hobbit is tapping to the age group of 15 above category, majorly working professionals and homemakers. Rest all these platforms are catering to K-12 students only, with the age group of 2 to 12 or 2 to 15. In terms of fundraising being done so far, it's being mentioned over here. In terms of advisors and mentors, we do have Dr. Shruti Gupta, who advises and mentors us on a regular basis. We do have Devesh Rakeja, who is the founder of Marwari Catalyst, and Mehul Shah also, who has already mentored 100 plus startups so far. So in terms of investors, so these are some of the investors who have invested with us, and not just they have invested checks with us, but also with the great minds and great help from these all investors, including Sushil Sharma, who is the founder of Marwari Catalyst, Pratik Toshniwal, and Varun Hanglu, who is handling the Merico Innovation Fund, investment arm of Merico. Vaibhav Mittal, who is the group CEO of AKC Group and Company, having a key stakeholding in MIT University as well. So open for the questions now. So target audience is working professionals and homemakers, not kids.
How did you come to the numbers of size of the market? What is the basis?
Yeah, so recently, report according to Inc. 42, the size of the market in India is $10 billion by 2022 itself. That is to be expected to be grown at 24.5% by 2024.
Inc. That is the only basis of
Yes,
coming to this
yes.
number.
So I wanted to know, what is it that you give to the tutors? Why will they come on your platform and not launch a course by themselves?
So we are not just helping them to bring the user base, we are giving the one-time payment. So जब ट्यूटर को खुद से सिखाना होता है तो उसको कस्टमर चाहिए होते हैं. वी आर काइंड ऑफ अ कस्टमर टू देम. वी आर गिविंग वन टाइम पेमेंट डायरेक्टली ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ इट सेल्फ. उनको कस्टमर ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी यूज़र हम ढूंढेंगे वो रेवेन्यू हमारा होगा, पर जो उसको पैसा चाहिए हम वन टाइम पेमेंट उसको एडवांस में दे देते हैं. उसको यूज़र से कोई मतलब नहीं, कितने यूज़र्स उसका कोर्स लेंगे, कितने यूज़र परस्यू करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, क्या फीडबैक आएगा, उनका सिर्फ मोटिव है उनको पैसा हॉबिट की तरफ से ऑन अ सिंगल गो मिल जाता है. सो दे डोंट नीड टू सर्च फॉर द ट्यूटर्स, सर्च फॉर द यूज़र्स.
Actually, two questions.
Yeah, sure.
How do you combat YouTube channels with your platform? And secondly, can you diversify the different hobbies? कौन सा हॉबी कितना ज़्यादा आपके प्लेटफॉर्म पे यूज़ हो रहा है?
Yes, so in terms of YouTube, YouTube left you एक YouTube के अंदर आपको एक वीडियो देखने के बाद ये नहीं पता होता आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन क्या करना है. द मेन मोटिव ऑफ आवर सेशन इज
Sorry, you are taking me wrong. I am asking as for content creator. You said you are giving one-time payment to the content creator or the tutor. So tutor also has a YouTube channel जो YouTube उसको subscription fees as per the subscription goes on वो देता रहे. तो how do you combat that?
ओके.
कि मैं YouTube चैनल पे अपना चैनल नहीं बनाऊँ और आपके प्लेटफॉर्म पे आऊँ.
या श्योर. सो यूट्यूब के अंदर क्या रहता है, जब यूट्यूब के अंदर आपके 5,000 या 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाते हैं, सिर्फ उसके बाद ही यूट्यूब आपको पे करना स्टार्ट करता है. वो भी जब आपके मिनिमम व्यूज़ 50,000 20,000 कुछ उनका की मार्जिन रहता है, वो व्यूज़ क्रॉस होने के बाद. उससे पहले यूट्यूब आपको कुछ भी पे नहीं करता. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप पहली बार यूट्यूब चैनल बना रहे हैं और आप कुछ भी पोस्ट कर रहे हैं तो यूट्यूब विल स्टार्ट पेइंग टू यू. इट्स नॉट दैट मैटर. तो उनके लिए पहले उनको अपनी इतनी ऑडियंस इकट्ठी करनी पड़ेगी, उनको रेगुलरली डालना पड़ेगा कंटेंट, पैसा अपना खर्च करके कंटेंट बनाना पड़ेगा विद द टोटल रिस्क कि पैसा बाद में उनका सब्सक्राइबर बढ़े ना बढ़े, उनके व्यूज़ बढ़े या ना बढ़े. क्योंकि बढ़ेंगे सिर्फ तभी वो पैसा कमा पाएंगे. अगर व्यूज़ ना बढ़े, सब्सक्राइबर ना बढ़े, तो यूट्यूब इज नॉट गोइंग टू पे एनीथिंग टू देम. सो राइट नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू बेसिस, मोर देन 55% ऑफ द रेवेन्यू दैट वी आर अकरिंग, basically 55% revenue जो हम कमा रहे हैं, that is from the dance stream only. In dance we are having 7 streams in dance including Bharatanatyam, Kathak, belly dance, hip hop, jazz and Kuchipudi. These are the streams that we are teaching onto the platform right now. And बाकी के जो हमारे सब categories हैं, into fitness we are dealing into Zumba, HIIT, yoga, bodyweight training. Into art and craft we are dealing into acrylic art, mandala and calligraphy. Into cooking we are dealing into global cuisines, bakery cooking and healthy food cooking. Into music we are dealing into rapping and guitar.
So my question is, as you told in your presentation that you are giving such certification courses also.
Yes.
So those certificates are backed with any university institutes, or that's are all your certificates?
So the reason behind providing these certification courses is majorly one reason. जो लोग एक अपना हॉबी को या एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास को, जैसे गिटार में क्लास होती है सी कॉर्ड सीखना है, वो सी कॉर्ड की क्लास अगर आप लाइव सीखते हो तो आपको 400-500 रुपये पर लाइव क्लास का देना पड़ता है. पर अगर आपको रिपीटेडली वो सेम क्लास देखनी है तो यू कैन परचेज अ कोर्स इन विच द कोर्स इज बिंग मॉड्यूल्ड कोर्स, जिसके अंदर सारी क्लासेस मेंशनड है और वो आप रिपीटेडली लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस के साथ बार बार देख सकते हो. विद दैट रीजन वी लॉन्च द कोर्सेज. सेकंड थिंग, अभी हमारे पास कोई भी सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं है. द सर्टिफिकेशन दैट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ इज द ट्यूटर्स सिग्नेचर प्लस हॉबिट सिग्नेचर. बट वी आर ऑल्सो इन डीन टाइंग अप विद स्टार्टअप स्किल इंडिया. उनके साथ अभी हमारा टाइप चल रहा है, प्रोसीजर चल रहा है, बट अभी हमें वो सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं मिली है.
Okay. And my second question is कि जो आपका revenue area है, so revenue area is from only the coaching part, or there is any other segments also for the revenue?
अगर मैं अभी अपनी करंट रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम की बात करूं, अभी हमने सिर्फ एक ही रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम खोली है. प्रायर टू 2022 वी वर इवन नॉट जनरेटिंग अ सिंगल रेवेन्यू. हमारा मेजर फोकस था अपनी कम्युनिटी के अंदर एक्टिव यूजर लेकर आना जो यहाँ पे इंटरेक्ट करें, एंगेज रहें, उसके बाद उनको कन्वर्ट करना ऑन अ पेड यूजर बेस. तो अभी हमने सिर्फ अपनी एक रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम खोली है, दैट इज अ मंथली क्लासेज ऑन टू द प्लेटफॉर्म. बट फ्यूचरिस्टिक में अगर मैं बात करूँ रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम्स की, तो वी डू हैव एक्टिव कम्युनिटी ऑफ 55,000 users who are actively engaged, monthly active user जो monthly daily engage कर रहे हैं platform के अंदर. So once the user base will be hitting 5 lakh, we can also start advertisements on that community. Second stream that we can look forward is collaboration with D2C brands. Recently we did 2-3 collaboration with including I'm not remembering the name, with one of the name was Desiwood. जैसे हमारा म्यूजिक की कम्युनिटी है तो उसके अंदर म्यूजिक लवर्स की पूरी कम्युनिटी सेपरेटली बनी हुई है, तो दैट विल बी ईजी फॉर D2C ब्रांड टू प्रमोट देयर प्रोडक्ट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी. तो उसके अंदर हम जो चैलेंजेस कराते हैं, कॉम्पिटिशन्स कराते हैं, तो उसमें हम उनसे स्पॉन्सरशिप लेते हैं, उनका प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पे मेंशन करते हैं कि विनर्स को ये प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे, और उसके बेसिस में हमें D2C ब्रांड्स विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट पेइंग टू अस. ये अभी हमने ट्रेंड स्टार्ट करा था, सिर्फ 2-3 हमने कंपनीज का टाइप करा, बट द मेजर फोकस इज राइट नाउ ऑन दैट स्ट्रीम. द अनदर रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम दैट विल बी इन फ्यूचर एज वेल एज B2B डोमेन इन विच विल बी एंटरिंग इनटू कॉर्पोरेट्स पार्ट. कॉर्पोरेट में अभी क्या चल रहा है, एक स्टीरियोटाइप चल रहा है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट गिव्स फिटनेस प्रोग्राम्स टू देयर एम्प्लॉयज एज एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट स्कीम्स, बट हमारा ये मानना है कि सारे एम्प्लॉयज की हॉबी फिटनेस नहीं हो सकती. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग अ फिटनेस स्कीम्स टू द एम्प्लॉयज, गिव हॉबिट पास टू योर एम्प्लॉय. लेट योर एम्प्लॉय डिसाइड व्हाट हॉबी दे वांट टू परस्यू. अगर उसकी हॉबी डांस है तो वो डांस परस्यू करे, अगर उसकी हॉबी कुकिंग है तो वो कुकिंग परस्यू करे. सो दैट विल बी ओपनिंग अप अ डिफरेंट चैनल ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम B2B डोमेन.
आपका जो अभी वैल्यूएशन है,
हाँ जी.
दैट इज लाइक रेवेन्यू का 30-32x, व्हाट आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
अभी जो हमारा रेवेन्यू दैट इज 10x ऑन द ARR that will be planning to achieve in 2022 itself, that is 40 crore rupees. In terms of monthly revenue, if we're talking, that is 12 lakh rupees. That has grown to 2,000% in last 4 months. So with the expectation of that, we are keeping the ARR of 4 crore by the 2022 and doing 10x of the revenue stream. That is the very first reason. The second reason of the keeping the valuation at 40 CR, we raised the last round at a valuation of 13 CR. In terms of that, we did 5x growth in terms of user. In terms of revenue, we did 2,000% growth, and keeping the valuation only 3x right now. The third reason behind it, if I talk about the biggest player in the HopTech domain, that raised a round of at a valuation of 450 crore. In total, they raised 100 crore. When they at that particular time part, they were having 2.5 lakh user base, plus they were generating 1.2 CR ARR. If we compare with that competition part, so we are doing pretty well in that particular sense, and only raising at a valuation 9% of that valuation. So these are the key factors on which we are raising at a valuation of 40 CR.
Well justified. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Any other questions? Yeah, sure.
What is the per user average spend on your platform?
That is 800 to 1,200 rupees per month.
Okay, this is for training purposes.
Yes. So the average length of a lesson, as I told you, that we do have a teaching style of 2 different methods. One is the courses part, that is the pre-recorded courses. So in total content is 2.5 to 3 hours content. But the major revenue stream is virtual classes, that is monthly virtual classes. Monday to Friday classes are there. In every day, user is taking 30 to 45-minute class. So from Monday to Friday for 1 whole month, that is costing 800 to 1,200 to that particular user.
Got it. And then your average user is only on the platform for like 15 minutes, right?
15 minutes is the average user engagement time, including all the users. That is 1 lakh users, not just the paid user base. People who are spending the time on the community, maybe they are spending 5 minutes, 7 minutes on the community, and people who are taking the session are spending 30 minutes on the community. So on average, it is 15 minutes right now.
Got it. And for the paid users, what's the average user?
So the paid user base, if I talk about the percentage, 73% of the users are completing their whole 1 month program.
Got it. And how do you plan on like increasing user engagement? As
So
you
in terms of user engagement, we conduct various competitions and events to motivate user to pursue their hobbies. Because with the help of, I personally saw in my life during my college days, whenever I particularly see any kind of a competition or event where my friends or my peer group are taking participation, I particularly also get interested into taking participation. And somehow if I don't know that कैसे करते हैं वो particular चीज़, मेरा भी मन करता है कि मैं भी वो चीज़ सीखूं. So for that part, we are conducting regular events and competition within the platform itself. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Gaurav.
What is the repeat customer index?
Repeat customer rate right now is 55%, that we are expected to take around 75 to 80% in next 3 months, because the revenue generation that we started so far is only from January itself, that is being 5 months so far.
But that's only in the one stream or upgrading the same? Like
They are also taking a cross-selling. Cross-selling is also being done onto the platform. The person who is taking a Zumba class last month is taking a yoga class this month as well. And people who has taken a belly dance last month is also taking a Zumba class this month as well. So it's a stereotype that person is only having one hobby. But in reality, as we are seeing onto the platform, by seeing the metrics, people are having multiple hobbies. So they are even taking 2-3 hobbies at a single particular point of time as well.
But do you have the levels? Like take an example.
Yeah, so we do have a levels including beginners level, intermediate level, and advanced level. In advanced, we are not majorly focusing right now. The major focus right now is on the beginners level and intermediate level.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Gaurav.
Yeah.
We'll have to conclude the session here.
Thank you so much.